Have you ever seen the smallest fish in the world? And those are in Maninjau. Yeah, we call them rinuak. Rinuak is an endemic fish that abides at Maninjau Lake, has a transparent body, and size is about 1 centimeter. It's very small. Want to know how people catch them and process into food? Follow me.
Rinuak catchers will start work in the early morning after a dawn prayer around 6 a.m. The rinuak catchers use a manangguak or hand net, and there is a temporary storage underneath. They bring a basin tied around their waist and let it flow to follow them. Rinuak catchers will embark from the edge along the shore and beach. They catch by slowly put it in the prepared place below, then transfer to the basin that has been broke earlier. They will continue to do this until the sun rises up. Rinuak always gather in the shore of the lake, under roots of the trees, rocks, and even under floating nets. Wow! This is a really tiny fish.
For the people around, they will process this into a specific food like palai rinuak, paigada rinuak, and also peye rinuak. So, is the peye rinuak delicious?
Yeah, it's very good. Very good.
Yay! Will you see this process into real life? Come and visit our Maninjau Lake.